Just got a 3D printer? Whether you're using Bambu Studio or Orca Slicer, this video will take you from zero to your first perfect print fast. But which slicer is better for you? Let's find out. Bambu Studio and Orca Slicer are two of the most powerful slicers for 3D printing. If you own a Bambu Lab printer, you probably use Bambu Studio. But did you know that Orca Slicer is built from the same foundation and offers even more customization? In this series, we'll go from basic to advanced settings. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, there's something for you. Today, we'll start with the basics, how to navigate the slicer, set up your first print, and understand the key differences between Bambu Studio and Orca Slicer. Let's start with the interface. If you open up both slicers, you'll notice they look almost identical. That's because Orca Slicer is actually a modified version of Bambu Slicer, which itself is based on Prusa's Slicer. First is your top menu bar. This is where you can open your projects, save your profiles, and access settings. Then you have your panels. Here you'll find all your print settings, including your layer height, speed, and filament choices. Both also have this ribbon at the top where you'll be able to preview, go to your device settings, look at projects, and do calibration, as well as slice and print your models. Then you have your main work area, which shows your model on a plate. As you can see, they both look very similar. However, Orca Slicer has some more advanced tuning options, like additional pressure, advanced settings, and flow calibration tools. But don't worry, we'll cover those in later videos. All right, let's get your first model sliced and ready to print. I'll walk you through the basic steps in Bambu Studio, but the exact same steps can be followed in Orca Slicer. First, we need a 3D model. You can drag and drop an STL file, or you can go to the File menu and choose Open Project. Here, we will choose the standard Benchy model. Both slicers come with pre-configured profiles that work great out of the box. If your printer is supported with a profile, just select the correct profile for your printer and your filament. In this case, since I have a P1S, I will choose P1S from the printer profile. I'll use the generic PLA because that's what I'll print this at. And I'll use the standard profile, which is a good preset profile for most of your prints. Most of the models you download should be properly positioned to print. In case they're not, let me show you how to properly orient and arrange your items. So I moved this one so it's not in the correct way to print. The way to correct it would be to click the Arrange All Objects and hit the Arrange button. That'll put it in the middle of your plate. The next thing you could do is click on this Auto Orient, which will orient it for proper printing. So let's go ahead and click on that. So now we have the model in the proper position to print. If your print has overhangs, you may need supports. Both slicers offer auto-generated supports. If you're unsure, just go ahead and click on the Support tab, choose Enable Supports, and switch the type to Tree. If your model needs supports, when the slicer slices the model, it'll create them if needed. Once your settings look good, you can go ahead and hit the Slice button. After a few moments, you'll see a time estimate, as well as the amount of filament you will use when you print your model. There's also this bar on the side, which allows you to look layer by layer into the slices. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and hit the print now. If you have an AMS, be sure to choose which filament you want to print with, and then hit the Send button. So which slicer should you use? Let's break it down. Bambu Studio is best for Bambu Lab users. It's plug and play with cloud features. It has a simplified UI with less manual tuning required and gets regular official updates from Bambu Lab. Orca Slicer gives you more customization options and is perfect for advanced users. Supports more printer brands, not just Bambu, and is community driven and gets updates with frequent improvements. If you just want a smooth, easy experience with Bambu printers, stick with Bambu Studio. But if you love tweaking settings and want more control, Orca Slicer is worth checking out. And just like that, you're ready to slice and print your first model. In the next video, we'll take things up a notch and dive into presets. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Bambu Studio or Team Orca Slicer? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the rest of the series. See you in the next one.